Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Today we will talk about AFRM Holdings Incorporated, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name AFRM. Well, today we see very unclear and decisive action, currently trading at 31.06. And of course, the question is what's next for this stock? Well, to say shortly, it's most probably going to decline a little bit, but midterm it's actually bullish, although at the moment seems like a correction is starting, but not a very clear one. So let's quickly have a look in the history of this chart development to understand actually what we are seeing. So here again, as for many charts actually at the moment, we are seeing after having some period of descending action here in the very clear chart, although it was first broken here to the parallel one and then going higher, we see quite nice behavior where we started after this very interesting rebound section. We started actually another channel here going towards up from July, and it was quite nice, moving upwards, also supported by other, let's say, indicators like moving average 20, which is the green line here, was going up, moving average 50 also, but still moving average 200 is actually quite strongly going down. And the question is here, are we going to continue, or is it similar situation that was taking place here by end of July when moving average 20 pierced through moving average 50 and actually it continued growing? Well, to understand this, if this channel is going to grow or we are forming this classical bull trap before further continuation, so this one, we need to look, of course, here in this section. If you look at it, now I will again delete this channel and draw a line. You can see that actually what is happening is kind of slight, still not yet evident, but break below this support level, this line. And this means actually that we still might go higher until exactly this level here, but then in general means we still should go down. So the type of action we should see here, and for that I can a little bit move it here. So the type of action we shall see here is decline, but then of course inevitable rebounds, well, let's say most probably should be taking place, although how inevitable it is and how far it will go, still unclear, because this nasty line, moving average 200, is still going down quite strongly. Secondly, the MACD histogram here is not well developed, so it looks like it wants to do a secondary negative wave. And usually, if this is the case, it means we will go quite strongly downwards. Though still moving average 20, of course, still quite positive, so it will take some time to bend it. Meaning exactly as we discussed. So when we continued this level upwards, actually that it still might bounce higher and then go down. So that's kind of an action we can expect. And with this being said, we can actually prepare ourselves to buy through the levels here. And the first level would be, as always, on this kind of rebounds. It's a mid and bottom of previous channel. So here it will be exactly this line. So between 1644 and 1976 would be the first level to enter, and then we need to demagnify a little bit to see other levels. You see, historically there is no other supportive level seen. Therefore, as a next level to enter, we can take this point here that was formed in May, and this will be our next level to enter. So these are two levels, therefore, one between 1644 and 1976 to enter. Another one is anything below 1387. I don't expect action to go further. After that, we should have actually our quite final rebounds. Don't think it will be that big, but still this will be decided by further action. So this makes our trade strategy here, and it's a classical 3 portions play, not 5 as usually we propose. 3 portions means that the money you'd like to play, you can split in 3, then you can buy with 1 portion for the first level and keep another 2 portions to buy anywhere below this third line, which we just indicated being 1387. So that's all for AFRM at the moment. Again, it was quite bullish, but looks like either let's say, correction, classical one that takes place, or even might be some rejection, but we will see from the development. For the moment, just wait a little bit. I wouldn't play on this small gap between 31.21 and something like 33.20, although it's up to, let's say, almost 7%, but we can take more if you just wait for the lower levels here, for the lower level development. With this being said, that's all for AFRM. If you like this kind of strategy and actually non-linear averaging down, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks.